And ultimately, that's what the leaders in Israel were thinking. Nobody's going to know because I'm the one in charge. I'm going to make sure no one finds out. And so the prophets are coming along, and they're saying, your master's watching. Your king is watching. Your Lord is watching. And so when you're stealing from the poor, you're actually stealing from God. When you think nobody cares about this person or this group of people, they're nobody, God says, I see them. I see them. And they're not your people to treat that way. They're my people. And as a result, you're going to answer to me. And so again, Isaiah 10 verse 3, what will you do on the day of reckoning? Some translations will say the day of punishment. Other translations will say the day of visitation. It's all the same idea. God's coming. The car is pulling into the driveway. You hear it. He's coming to check. He's coming to see. And his question is, have you been faithful stewards? Are you using what I have given you? Because everybody has a job to do. Everybody has a work to do. The idea of work, as we've defined it within this class, is the idea of organizing things and ordering things and doing it in such a way that it brings glory to God, glory to our Master, so that when He shows up, we can say, look what I did with what you've given me. Here it is. I took care of what you gave to me, and it glorified you.